Can you talk a little bit about the inspiration for launching the challenge?
Patrick was the inspiration behind this. He's a colleague in the Department of Anesthesiology, so he said, hey, what about an open source 3D printed ventilator? And then we ran with it. Our design is modular, meaning it's not a fixed design. It's a design that will adapt depending on what is your availability of materials and expertise and 3D printers in your locale.
What is being proposed here is completely different from how you normally design things and go through a long, many-year-long, highly regulated process. This is a way to adapt to something unexpected on short order in a way that may not be perfect, but is way, way, way better than not having this at all.
College engineering has incredible expertise and resources at their disposal. So we thought this was a great opportunity to work together. It's going to be too late to start looking into it if we wait till the need is readily apparent.
What kind of engagement have you seen so far in people's interest in participating?
I ended up tweeting it, and it's one of my tweets that has gotten retweeted probably the most times. And I've gotten a lot of messages from colleagues elsewhere in order to say that they're really interested and are following kind of all the initiatives, figuring out how we can all work together, because we really do want to solve the problem for the world. I think one of the fantastic things is the people that we have here. Is every person I have talked to has said, oh, you should go talk to this person can help in this way. And it really becomes this kind of growing network of people that are thinking about the problem. And just like the people putting things out there online, you don't know which connection is going to be the one that kind of gives you the unique ability that you need at a certain time.
You know, the collaborative culture we have at the University of Florida, as well as the incredible resources and the can-do attitude, just really helped drive. It was one of the undercurrents that helped push this together. And so I would encourage anybody with an idea. This is great. You know, the 3D designs that are being released online, et cetera. Please keep putting those out. They're contributing, and this is a great positive story, and we need more of it. We need to keep doing this more and more to push it forward. But it is on us to make sure we do leverage those to continue to further the public health impact as positively as possible.